Hello, this is Miss Melissa, and today we are going to talk about invertebrates for our science lesson. Now, before we get into our lesson, I would like you to pay close attention to the animals that are on the screen because they are relevant to what we will be talking about today. So, are we ready? Let's go. Now, after this video lesson, you would be able to define the term invertebrates and give 3 examples of invertebrates. Now, the first thing I want you to remember about invertebrates would be that invertebrates are animals without backbone. Now, let's dig a little deeper into what are invertebrates. Invertebrates are animals that do not have backbone or internal skeleton. Now, backbone is also called vertebral column or what we call spine. Now, these invertebrates, since they do not have internal skeleton, they do have external skeleton. Now, let's look at some examples of invertebrates. Can you recall the animals that were on the screen when we first began our lesson? Now, those animals are invertebrates. Now, can you identify the invertebrates on the screen right now? Those are ants, snail, spider, a crab, butterflies. Can you say what that is? That is a tick. It can be found on dogs. And this is a centipede. All of these animals that you see are invertebrates. So some facts about invertebrates are they are cold-blooded, meaning that the animal's body temperature is basically the same as its surroundings. Invertebrates are found everywhere and they have different body structure. So let's recap. Make sure to listen carefully to the question, think, and then answer. So the first question is, what is an invertebrate? Can you tell me an invertebrate that has colorful wings and can fly? If you've gotten all of these questions correct, that's great. What do we know so far? We know that invertebrates are animals without backbone. We also know that butterflies, ticks, and spiders are all invertebrates. And that brings us to the end of our lesson on invertebrates for science for today. In our next video lesson, we will talk about the different groups that these invertebrates belong to. Thank you so much for watching and participating in our video lesson for today.